It's a dreary day. I hate old dreary old days. Don't forget, macros are at the end. So if you don't want to hear all the jibber jabber, you can just see the food I eat and see the macros that I got. I don't know what last night Terry was thinking. Oh, give me just a second. I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. One of my coworkers was kind enough. She has a gold pen. She's one of those crafty people. So I got an instant coffee syrup, lights, creatine, and collagen. So that's how it's looking. I'm so excited. So, yeah, it's still looking good, guys. Also, I want to tell y'all, I have this Queen Helene cocoa butter. This is some dang good stuff, y'all. Got it at the Walmart. I have been using that on my feet. I use it in the mornings before I put my socks on, and night before I go to bed. I got soft feet and not crusty. So they used to be kind of like, well, anyway, dry. Hi, Sammy. They used to be dry, but I just thought I'd tell you. So, yeah. Okay. I'll see y'all later. Also, this is another reason why I say be patient and stay the course. You can get mad, that's okay, but I just stepped on about topping the shower. Now, it ain't my Sunday way day, but look. Yesterday was a monkey. Yesterday was 182. Today was 178. Oh, no. Come on, fella. Oh, corn flabbit. You did see it, right? Now, let's try it again. All right. So, yesterday was 182. And today's so I lost 4 pounds overnight. You know, I did a whole lot of peeing last night. All right. See you at eating time. It's a dreary day. I hate old dreary old days. Don't forget, macros are at the end. So if you don't want to hear all the jibber jabber, you can just see the food I eat and see the macros that I got. I don't know what last night Terry was thinking. Oh, give me just a second. All right, I don't know what she was thinking. She didn't add no fat. All she sent me, all Terry sent me last night, packed for me last night, 100 grams of ground beef. That's it. That's literally all she sent me. Thank goodness she seasoned it. I say she because I know it was me, but it was last night's Terry. And, well, you know, I don't know what she's thinking as she's doing stuff. But anyway, so it's just ground beef with seasoning. I'll show you what else she did send me, though, so she was a little bit nice. It's ground beef with seasoning. This don't need 2 bites. Ground beef, all right. No fat. No sauce. Ground beef. Now, whatever. Sometimes I want a slugger. You know, you are at the mercy of your meal prep self. So, but that's what she sent me. I'm like, well, at least I can scan it. So, yeah. So I got low-fat cottage cheese and my ground beef. Anyway, so I'll get all that plugged in. I've got a vanilla cola Zevia. So we've talked, my Walmart is a Walmart market. And so sometimes they have stuff other Walmarts don't have, but sometimes other Walmarts have stuff mine doesn't have. But anyway, my Walmart has like a couple different variety packs of the Zevias, so that's how I get the different flavors. Well, I ain't got much for you today. I know it's cold. It's cold. And everybody was like, oh, it's going to get warm this week. It's going to get up to 70s. I think it's like 60. I think when I asked my Ziggy this morning, she said a high of 61 or 62. But look, I'm representing, baby. Representing my church. All right. I love you people. And I just don't want to talk. I want to go eat. All right. But I've still got some sinus stuff going on. And I'm waking up nauseated in the morning. But it gets a little bit better after I take my Advocol and sinus. So it's all this weather going back and forth. I'm hearing people hacking around now. So, all right. I love y'all. Hey, be nice to yourself. be nice to yourself and be nice to your future self. Don't just send yourself some boring old ground beef and cottage cheese. What kind of mess is that? That ain't very nice. Bye. Hi. Y'all are getting kind of a short day today, but that's all right. Sometimes it's just works out that way. My next couple days at work are going to be, it's not like busy and it's not like frantic. It's just going to take a lot of focus. So I have to do some chart audits, and I forgot. This is my fault. Okay, first understand that I should have had this done by the end of February, and it's now the middle of the end of January, but it should have been done by the end of January, and it's now the middle of February. So my fault. Please know that. Anyway, so I got to pay the piper. So, all right. So anyway, so the next couple days I'm going to be a little whatever. But so here's what we have. We've got 3 eggs and 240 grams of pork. Hey, Ziggy, how many ounces is 240 grams?
240 grams is about 8.47 ounces.
Okay, so it's about 8 ounces of cooked pork steak. Hey Ziggy, how many ounces is 180 grams?
180 grams equals about 6.35 ounces.
So about 6.35 ounces is how much of my ground beef I eat at lunch. So that's that. Police name 18-year-old who ran toward Capitol with the gun, tactical vest. Oh. So, pork steak and eggs, y'all. Pork steak and eggs. I'm taking another bite. That's good. And the very bottom, is just a little bit of balsamic vinegar to give it like a nice little twang. But you'll see that on my macros. Keto chow, iced creamy. I have a creamy every night unless it's extremely cold. If it's extremely cold, I'll have and my creamy, it's just protein powder and water. Because I just want the texture of ice cream and feel all fancy. I ain't got to have I ain't paying for something. Thought I heard one of my dogs barking. Anyway, so this is, I think it's peanut butter. Chocolate, peanut butter, and banana? Yeah. It's one of the ones I didn't label, so. But anyway, so if it was too cold, I would take this protein powder and water and sip on that with it and heat it up. Listen. I tell y'all all the time, you do not have to have a Ninja Creamy to have something fun. You can take yogurt and protein powder, whatever flavor you like, and just mix that up. And it becomes like a little mousse. You could take cottage cheese with some protein powder and mix that up. If you want like a sorbet, fruity, get you some water enhancers. You know, the flavor, what did I put in the other day? I don't remember what flavor. They got grape. They got orange. They have tropical melon. They have all kinds of stuff. So just put that with some cottage cheese or yogurt or both. Because that's what I had for my breakfast on the way down. I had cottage cheese and yogurt with some squirty stuff in there. And it's really good. So look at them both looking up like, what are you doing? Why are you always messing with us? Then there's this one. He was thirsty. What you doing, girl? Did I bust ya? Yeah, you was having fun with your brother, weren't you, good old girl? I go in my bedroom half the time I come in and the top blanket has been pulled all the way back. Sammy likes to crawl, get underneath it and flip it around and have Callie and they wrestle through the blanket. Dogs are weird. They're just weird. All right, I love y'all and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, y'all, push pause if you want to see, but that's my coffee and my lunch today. And right here we have my second coffee and my supper. And look right here, we've got my bedtime snack with the puppy dogs. And last up, we have my full macros for the day. Thanks for watching, guys.